What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be working on the FRS again. I'm actually going to be installing the Greddy Remark muffler delete. I got it from FT86 Speed Factory. Honestly, there's really no good video clips on this, so I kind of just took a gamble and just went with it. I didn't know if I wanted to go with a single or a dual outlet. So I just went with the dual for now. So let's unbox this and see what it looks like. Alright, so it comes with the gaskets and the bolts. And then the exhaust itself. Alright, so as you can see, the bulb's pretty good. It's got a nice tip. It should just bolt up like factory. Alright, so now that we're under the car, basically, there's a bolt here and a bolt up here. We're just gonna take those off, and then I do believe there's 4 hangers that we're gonna need to get off. So I'll get back with you guys once I get that done. Alright, so now that we got the old exhaust off, basically we're just gonna put the exhaust hangers onto the new exhaust. And then we're going to use one of the gaskets, put them in the middle, connect it, and use the hardware they supplied, and then button it up and everything, and I'll show you guys what everything looks like once it's all done. Alright, so now that I got everything hooked up, honestly, it fits pretty good. I just had to hook this up, but everything else is mounted and looks pretty good, you know. But once I get all this done, I'll start it and see if there's any exhaust leaks, so I'll be right back. Have it. That's the install of the Greddy Remark muffler delete that I got from FT86 Speed Factory. If you guys want sound clips or in-dash or in-car videos, just comment below. And also I'll put a link to the description down below, and there's a little bell down there. If you guys hit that, you will get notifications that I put new videos up. Usually I try to do it once a week, either like a Monday or a Wednesday. but this time I was waiting on the exhaust to come in, so it came in on Thursday. So I try to do a video at least once a week. If you guys like what I'm doing, hit the thumbs up, comment, and have a good day.